Prompt engineering is the key mechanism through which large language models, LLMs, are programmed, enabling them to perform various tasks and generate content across different domains. In this context, two prominent patterns emerge: the question refinement pattern and the persona pattern. Question refinement pattern. The question refinement pattern plays a crucial role in extracting detailed information from users. By engaging in a series of targeted inquiries, the LLM gains a comprehensive understanding of the user's requirements. This method proves particularly effective in scenarios such as medical licensing exam preparation and code snippet generation for developers. The tool excels at facilitating effective coding, making it a valuable resource for both developers and students looking to acquire new coding skills swiftly. Persona pattern. Another noteworthy pattern is the persona pattern. This pattern enables the LLM to adopt different personas, enhancing its ability to tailor responses to specific contexts. Whether answering questions for a medical licensing exam or generating code snippets, the LLM can adapt its persona to suit the user's needs. This dynamic capability contributes to the versatility of the tool, showcasing its prowess in diverse applications. Prompt patterns. Within the realm of prompt engineering, users can guide the LLM by employing prompt patterns. This game of prompts allows users to dictate the direction of the conversation, providing a structured approach to information gathering. Prompt patterns include error identification, fact check and reflection, LLM-driven conversation, inversion of control visualization generator. The visualization generator is a powerful feature that adds a visual dimension to the LLM's capabilities. Users can leverage this tool to transform abstract concepts into visual representations, aiding in comprehension and communication. This feature proves invaluable for conveying complex ideas and fostering a deeper understanding. Recipe. The recipe pattern involves instructing the LLM to follow a set of instructions to achieve a specific outcome. Users can provide step-by-step guidance, allowing the LLM to create content or solve problems systematically. This structured approach enhances the utility of the tool in various scenarios. Template. The template pattern empowers users to guide the LLM in creating content within predefined structures. Whether crafting a story or developing a document, users can specify the format, ensuring the generated output aligns with their expectations. Conversational approach. The tool embraces a conversational approach, exemplified by the inversion of control method. Users can instruct the LLM to create a story by answering multiple choice questions, transforming the interaction into a dynamic and engaging conversation. This approach ensures that the generated content aligns closely with the user's vision. Conclusion. In conclusion, prompt engineering serves as the foundation for the diverse capabilities of LLMs. From refining questions to adopting different personas and employing various prompt patterns, users can harness the power of these models to achieve tailored and intelligent content generation. As the field continues to evolve, the seamless integration of prompt engineering patterns further enhances the adaptability and utility of LLMs in diverse applications.